Dear students, observe the question. Let alpha and beta be two roots of the equation x square plus 2x plus 2 is equal to 0. Then alpha power 15 plus beta power 15 is equal to the first option 512, second option minus 512, third option minus 256 and fourth option 256. Okay. Actually, this is the question from JEE Mains 2019 in January state. Okay. Now we have to solve this question. Now solution for this one. So given equation x square plus 2x plus 2 is equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation in terms of x. This is the quadratic equation in terms of x. We'll comparing with the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We'll comparing with the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to 2. Now we have to find the roots for this equation. According to the formula. So roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 are minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole by 2a whole by 2a. Now according to this form, to find the roots for this equation, x is equal to minus 2 plus or minus root of 4 minus 8 by 2. Okay. Now from this, x is equal to minus 2 plus or minus root minus 4 by 2. Now from this, x is equal to minus 2 plus or minus, this is 2 root minus 1 by 2. Since here it is root minus 4 is nothing but root 4 into root minus 1, where root 4 is 2, root minus 1 is there. Now, root minus 1 is called imaginary number. Root minus 1 is called imaginary number. That is, represents iota. It represents iota. I is equal to root minus 1, where I is called iota. It's a square. I square is equal to minus 1. I cube is equal to minus I. I power 4 is equal to 1. I power 4 is equal to 1. So I power 5 is equal to I. I power 5 is equal to I. I power 6 is equal to minus 1. I power 7 is equal to minus I. Like that. That's why I power 4 is equal to 1. Means what? I power multiples of 4 is 1. That means I power 4n is equal to 1, where n is positive integer, and I power 4n plus 1 is equal to I power 4n plus 2 is equal to minus 1, and I power 4n plus 3 is equal to minus I. Like that. That's all. So here we have to take from this root minus 1 is nothing but I. That's why x is equal to minus 2 plus or minus 2i by 2. That's why 2 take common and gets cancelled, then x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus I. It represents two roots. From the given condition, the alpha and beta are the roots. Take the roots. Alpha is equal to minus 1 plus I and beta is equal to minus 1 minus I. Right? Now, alpha square is equal to, this is 1, I square is minus 1 minus 2I. Here beta square, that is 1, I square is minus 1 plus 2I. Now from this, alpha square is equal to minus 2i beta square is equal to 2i. That's all. Now required alpha power 15 plus beta power 15. Alpha power 15 can be right alpha power 14 into alpha plus beta power 15 can be right beta power 14 into beta. Now from this alpha power 14, this can be right alpha square power 7. Already alpha square is minus 2i. That's why minus 2i power 7. Alpha power 14 is minus 2i power 7 into alpha plus beta power 14 2i power 7, that is 2i power 7 into beta. Now from this we have to take common 2i power 7. 2i power 7 is common, then it is minus alpha plus beta. Minus alpha plus beta. Now from this 2 power 7 into I power 7. 2 power 7 into I power 7. Here it is alpha. Alpha is minus 1 plus I. Minus alpha is nothing but 1 minus I. Beta is minus 1 minus I. That's why it is minus 1 minus I. So from this it is 2 power 7 into I power 7 is minus I. I power 7 is minus I. Here it is 1 gets cancelled, it is minus 2i. That's why it is 2 power 7 into 2 power 7 into 2, 2 power 8. 2 power 8. 2 power 8 into this is minus I into minus I. I square plus I square. I square is nothing but minus 1. That's why 2 power 8 into minus 1. 2 power 8 is 256. 256 into minus 1 is minus 256. That's all. So minus 256. So that is third option. Okay. That's why this is the question from quadratic expressions and equations whose roots are complex roots or imaginary roots, since in the roots involving imaginary number iota is there. Generally complex number always in the form of a plus ib, where a is real part, b is imaginary part, a and b belongs to real numbers. Okay, that's why. So discriminant b square minus 4ac, this b square minus 4ac negative minus 4. Observe b square minus 4ac negative. That's why nature of roots depends upon the discriminant of quadratic equation. That's why discriminant is negative. That's why the quadratic equation has imaginary roots or complex roots. So those roots are taken as alpha is equal to minus 1 plus I, beta is equal to minus 1 minus I. That's all. So it is alpha square, it is beta square. From this I have to find alpha power 15 plus beta power 15, it is minus 256. That is the third option. That's why this question depends upon the iota. That is imaginary number. It represents iota. So I is equal to root minus 1. I square is minus 1. I cube is minus I. I power 4 is 1. I power 5 is I power 6 is minus 1. I power 7 is minus I. Like that. I power 8 is 1. I power 9 is I. Like that. Depends upon this concept. That means I power 4n. Multiples of I power 4. That means I power multiples of 4 is 1. That's why I power 4n is 1. I power 4n plus 1. I power 4n plus 2 minus 1. I power 4n plus 3 minus I. Where n is positive integer. This is the concept, right?